you, Maddie, your long set is coming with 12 long rollers.
Okay.
So the heater's inside. So the charging station, in about 3 to 5 minutes, fully heats them. And that heat is going to last up to 20 minutes. Okay, so we can leave them in as long as we want, and you'll have these nice longer clips to keep them in place. So the cool thing about the long is that it's shaped like any other hot tool, right?
Yeah.
So it all depends on how we put them in, on what look we want to get. So we can just get volume by maybe using 4 or 5 of them this way. We can put them in this way to get more of a spiral wave, beachy curl type of thing. So you ready to give some looks a chat?
I can't wait.
Let's do it.
Okay,
All right.
I think I'm gonna try to put one in for body.
Okay, great.
Okay, so
Yeah, so when you're doing body, you don't have to use as many of the rollers, and you can take much bigger sections. It's such a big
Okay.
roller. Great. And I love how you just tuck that, make sure that end is tucked in real nice, yeah. So we don't want any like funky fish hooks. Like a little, something going sideways on you.
and how long do you think I should leave these in?
So for body, I would say, the less you're putting in, we might leave them in for 10 minutes.
Okay.
But you can leave them up to 20. And you can also kind of put them in and take them out if you just want something really soft. Because they are warm enough to they start working immediately, correct?
They are very warm, but I
Yeah.
feel like they're not hot enough, they're not burning me by any
Right, and you
means.
just hold on to those the ends, right? Because that's cool. I love how you've gotten the whole front in.
Yes.
So Betty, I would say the most important thing when you're using hot rollers is just to get those ends in nice.
Okay.
Because that's what makes the curl go all the way through to the bouncy bottom of your hair. So I notice how you just wrap it. I love that. And you just take that end, you make sure it's all the way being wrapped in and tucked in there without being pressed hard. So that's perfect.
Awesome.
Great job, Maddie. You just got 5 rollers in there, so it's going to give you a really soft kind of blowout look. Now, if your hair is really resistant to curl, as you notice, the rollers are starting to go back to dark, so meaning that the heat is coming out of them. I wait till that very last one goes to dark before we take them out. All right, super simple to take out. Just unclip and unroll.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Can't wait to see this. I'm going to get you to run your fingers through it first.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so what if I wanted a little bit more of a wave or like a spiral curl?
Okay, so now you're going to put them in instead of how you had them in this way. We're going to, and we can also go this way, which is going to create more of a deep Hollywood wave.
Oh, okay.
But then we could also put them in this way. So let's try them vertically so you can see the difference.
Yeah.
All right, so basically what you're going to do is take a section. The smaller the section, the more the curl, right? You can take a big section and make it more of a wave.
Okay.
I'm going to take this section and we're literally going to use this like you would use a wand, right? So I'm holding the end because that's what's cool to the touch. And then I'm just going to spiral this around it.
Okay.
Now always going to tuck that end. I'm going to hold that end to make sure it goes in nice and smoothly. And then when I clip, I'm going to make sure I clip that end too.
Okay.
So it stays nice and around the barrel.
Nice.
Pretty easy, right?
Yeah. Okay. So vertical,
Mm-hmm.
and then around like a wand,
Mm-hmm.
holding the end.
And you're going to keep it vertical. There you go.
Okay. That was so easy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Perfect, right? Oh, that looks so great. See, it's completely different than when you have them in it. So it's fun. You can play. Put them in different directions. Put more, put less. Right. Maddie, you did such a good job.
It was so fast and easy.
Look at those. Now, here's the thing. If you, like, especially if you have an event or you struggle with it, like holding, this is a great time to spray it, right? So you just spray literally each one of them. Keep the can away, but kind of spray them and let them set even another few minutes.
Okay.
Another thing for those, if the hair is really resistant, when you take that section before you put the roller in, you could spray that and then put the roller in. That's for if you really have resistant hair.
Okay.
But your hair's not that resistant, but I know that sometimes frizz likes to come back in your hair, right?
Yeah.
So you could spray it a little bit now, let it set, and now run your fingers through it. Let's see what we got. What you did.
I love it.
I mean, I love them both. I love that now if you want more lift and volume, you're going to put them this way. But when you want it kind of more relaxed and waved, you put them in this way. But you should play because they're fun. More in, less in. Yeah, exactly. And wait till you see the back of this. It's just amazing. Wow. Maddie, feel free to brush through it. I mean, it's going to just give it a different look. You're going to have more of that Hollywood hair that has incredible volume and also all the shine and the body. And then if you're doing a special event, you want to start with those rollers because at this point, to gather this hair and wear it up in any kind of fashion that you want, you have that curl in there now to kind of play and do some different things with updos as well.
Love it.